Hello, Mark Huggins here at Kriete Truck Center. What we are looking at today is a 2025 ISUZU NPR HD with a 5.2 liter i4 turbocharged diesel engine. It also has 215 horsepower and 425 feet-pounds of torque. The transmission is a 6-speed automatic with double overdrive. It is a 14.5 GVW truck. The wheelbase on this chassis is 150 and the CA is 127.5. It has an AM/FM radio in it with Bluetooth. The body is a US truck body, 16 foot, with a galvanized walk-up step. Fully galvanized across the whole entire thing. Again, Mark with Kriete Truck Center, 262-483-1717. Again, a new 2025 ISUZU cab over. Let's take a look at the inside. It does have a suspension driver seat in cloth. The truck is equipped with power windows and locks. As you see inside is a 3-man bench seat, automatic transmission, and also if it's just one driver, you do have the latch here, pull down, and he has a little workstation, your triangle kit that is included in the vehicle, and also your fire extinguisher. The truck is brand new. For your mirror control, some storage area inside. Again, Mark with Kriete Truck Center, 262-483-1717.